Hey guys, it's Ruta Mittal here. Welcome to my YouTube channel or the podcast if you're listening this. Today I'm talking to Raj Lakshmi and she is killing it after enrolling into Marketing Accelerator. She's working with premium clients all across the world. Hi Raj Lakshmi, welcome.
Hi, Ruta. Thank you so much, first of all, for giving us this opportunity, giving us MA. I don't call it, Marketing Accelerator Academy. I call it MA because that's what it has been for me. It has that nurturing power. And so, yes, thank you so much for having us here. And it's actually Ranjit Raj that we have, that account I have. So I am on behalf of Ranjit and me here. So, yes, thank you so
Awesome. So
much.
you guys are a couple who are working together in the business. I think that's amazing.
Yeah, that's true. Thank you.
Awesome. So when did you, so what I have here is you guys made almost $5,000 in US revenue after joining MA. So when did you guys join?
So it was in September that we got the course. And to be very honest, Ranjit was very, very insistent that we have to take it, we have to take it. But I was, in two minds because it was around 22K in Indian currency at that time. And I was saying, no, let's just save and see what we can do. I didn't know the actual power of this particular course.
Yeah.
And then eventually, when it was around 45K, we had to take it. And within 2 months, maybe, in December itself, we have hit the 50K club, and in January we hit the 1K club, and since then we have been earning 1K every month. So I guess it was a great investment in ourselves. Yeah.
Yeah, so I think you've made almost 5,000 US dollars in revenue up until now, and the course is so currently 600. So you've made almost 8 to 9 times, 7 to 8 times already, and I'm
Yeah.
sure you're gonna keep killing it with clients and with revenue. So how does it feel to have the skills and the blueprint of working with clients all across the world?
Well, it's definitely a very freeing experience, I would say, because when I am into a 9 to 5 job, and luckily on 5th May, I'll be free from it because thanks to your mindset module, I got that, I got that rush that I have to leave this and I have to be my own boss. So I have resigned already. I'm serving my notice period. So yeah, it was very difficult because of the 9 to 5 job, to actually concentrate and do something like this. But then we started posting on, we are into graphics designing, we work on Canva graphics designing. And there was I won't take the name, but there was the first client that we have worked with. He was a verified account, and he was a Facebook account manager for people like Gary V, Grant Cardone. I was like, this must be a fake account, because it's not possible somebody like that coming to us and saying, hey, I like your feed and I would like to do you to do some work for me. I was like, no, you are not that person. He said, yes, let's set up a call. Then we got into a call, and I could actually see the person. I was in shock. Then it started, and there was no looking back, because I had only, I guess, 300 followers at that point of time, and I was like, who would trust a beginner? I mean, it that we have that notion that until and unless you have this number of followers, nobody is going to trust you. But the thing is that he looked into our content, and he understood that we could actually deliver, and we have been working for him. And so the first client, luckily the first client actually came up to us looking at our content, so that's a huge accomplishment. And then kudos to your how to get high paid clients, that module particularly, because we did those agreements and everything, and it was like so professional. So he was under the notion that, okay, these people know so much about the course and everything. So yeah, that's how it started. And it's a very, very happy feeling, because the people who are not even from your own country, they trust you with their work, with their account. you know we make their brands, and we make them look good on their Instagram feed. So that's a huge accomplishment, huge responsibility, but it feels so good, really. Thank you for that.
Yeah, absolutely. And I love that you guys are like you guys jumped in and started implementing. I took a look at your Instagram and I love how you've optimized everything from the bio especially to the highlights where you have highlighted the client testimonials and the work that you guys do. So no amount of followers is like a minimum for starting to get clients. As you guys, in your case, the client approached you. So like there's literally, that's the power of using social media and putting out relevant content, which makes you an expert so that clients themselves are attracted to you and not the other way around. And honestly, when they come to talk to you first, it's an easy close. Like it's the easiest close ever. There are barely any objections because your content already has done the job of handling all their objections, because you've served them so many impressions, you've given them a lot of value, and then they feel like they already know you a little bit because you hang out so much on social media and you provide value. So that's great. And also another point I would like to note is you're working at a job and you're doing this as a side hustle. I didn't know that. I thought you were doing this full time. So given that the revenue that you guys have earned in the last 3 4 months, I think that's amazing. And now that you'll have more free time, you're gonna like explore very quickly, and that's amazing.
Yeah, and in fact, till now we have only 50K and 1 lakh club. But I have seen your other interviews and you have stated that you are getting more milestones. So we are really excited. And, once Ranjit is out of town, he's back and we can just get something done and we can get onto an interview together. That's like a dream for us. So yeah, very,
Absolutely.
very excited.
Absolutely. We're going to come up with more milestones. I would love for you guys to come together on the interview, because I know when two people work together, someone has another superpower and you have another superpower, and the kind of mix of both of you makes the business successful. And it's a great time for people of the country and the world to see that two partners can work together, can make it successful, and you don't have to have a stable job to rely on, and you can do this full time as as a couple. So I think that would be very inspiring for people. So basically, what were you doing before Marketing Accelerator? You were working at a job, but can you tell us a little bit about your background, education, career, and what led you to enrolling to MA?
Sure. So I have been working in a 9 to 5 job for the last 6 years because I started right after college. And initially, I was for the first 3 years, I was in a call center. And for after that, it was an international call center. And after that, the next 3 years, the company that I'm working right now, it's an FNA finance and accounting company. So pretty basic. I mean, billing and all of that stuff. So I liked the work, but when I was in office, it was much better because I could actually interact with people. I loved talking, and when it was at home, I started getting bored of it. I mean, it's like the same thing, the same computer. You have to do the same thing over and over again. And yeah, and as I have been working and doing this, because designing content and making them satisfy, it's a tough job. But once you are at it, you understand what they want and you start delivering. As you have already said, you always say that over deliver initially.
Yeah.
So we always concentrated on that. And then the path became smoother, and I knew that I had that financial confidence that now it's the right time to just leave the job and put my 100% into this. So yeah, that's how it was. I was BA general student, not even I didn't have any kind of specialization or something, because I was like, I just have to be a graduate and I am not meant to be here. I want to do something else. I wanted to be an interior decorator, then an event manager once I saw the movie Band Baja Barat. So lots of things. But then actually I niched down. I said, no, this is the thing that I want to do in life. So yeah.
I think that's important to note that people believe that we need to quit our job and then jump into a completely new field, and without any skills and experience. And of course, Marketing Accelerator teaches you the skills and stuff. But if you are not confident, or you feel like, oh, I have other responsibilities in my life right now, so I cannot quit straight away, that's completely okay. You can do this as a side hustle, as you guys are doing. And when when you're confident, when you have skills, when you have some clients, when you have the momentum, then you can quit, and then you can just like go all in and explore your success in that. So this is definitely possible. Like that's the flexibility that an online business provides you, and that's the flexibility that MA empowers you with. um, so you already talked about the
Right.
first client experience that you guys had. What happened after that? Like how easy was it to get other high paying premium clients after that first client?
The first client that we had, he's a pretty influential person in his field, and people who used to look at his feed and was like, "How is this change? And who is the person who's making stuff for you?" And people started pouring in. It was a pretty easy ride, I must say, compared to you have to go, you have to pitch your services in that regard. So we got a lot of referred client, and he actually started a course and he referred us in that. I mean, without any financial gain or anything else. Just said, "We like your work, and just make a few videos and post it in there, and I'll say that if you want some help, you can talk to Raj."
Yeah.
And there are so many people who came up to us, and they were so sweet. The one who was from Nigeria, then another one is from Switzerland, then from France, Spain. I mean, you get this flexibility to talk to so many people across the world, and you have that freedom. Because here in office, if you're working in an office, you have to see the same 50 pages people, same 50 faces daily. I mean, there's no flexibility in that case. But this was such a freeing experience that we got to work with so many different clients. Right now we have 6 clients who have signed up a contract with us for the next 6 months. So we are starting May. So that's a great thing. And then from here and there, you have those consultancy calls, and then we have Canva teachings 101. I conduct those as well. So these are the extra perks that we get out the dining and vacation money from. Rest, everything, we just try to invest everything on ourselves and our business so that we can grow this. So yeah.
Absolutely. It would, how does it feel to have long-term contracts? Because I know a lot of freelancers struggle with income roller coaster. Like one month they're making $3,000, another month they're making 500, the month after they're barely making anything to pay the bill. So how does it feel to have long-term contracts? And what do you think the specific stuff inside MA has helped you get that so you can avoid the income roller coaster?
Well, so it's from Ma itself that we got, the power of over delivering. So if the person is asking for something, if he's asking for maybe 2 images to be made, we
Yeah.
used to give them 5 of them, and
Mm.
they were like so happy that they were like, "Okay, let's do it for 1 month." And I used to say, "I won't charge you for the first month. Let me do it for free for you." And they were so convinced that this person is not after my money; they are actually delivering.
Yeah.
So this is what I got to learn from Ma, because there are millions of other videos which are available on YouTube, which teach you digital marketing and which teach you this and that. But this kind of professionalism and the tips and tricks to grow yourself, nothing else I would get that. So thanks to you, because those lectures actually worked. Even the audio ones, I used to play them when I was in the bus, or I didn't used to get time, because 9 to 5 I had this job, and after that I used to come home and wake till 3 o'clock. I used to work in the morning, so it was pretty difficult. So that's how I used to commute. I used to listen to your videos, and it has been a very nice journey. I mean, I loved it. And yeah, as talking about the longer duration, the roller coaster that we are talking about, it gives a lot of stability, because it's very difficult when you're not sure whether you are getting to get any income next month, and you keep on getting stuff. Like I got your course on an EMI because I was not sure how would I would get such a lump sum amount. In fact, after working 6 years, imagine I was earning only 20K per month.
Wow.
That's like nothing. So still I took, I mean, the person who is earning 20K a month and gets a course of 45K, it was a huge deal for me. And I
Totally.
was very apprehensive, to be honest. But this is the best decision so far in my life, because it has changed my life entirely. I took my parents to Kalyan Jewelers and I was like, go and purchase whatever you want. And then I was like, no, there is a cap. I was just kidding. So you get, you feel, you feel so proud of yourself. And thanks to you, you get these, freedom, the freedom of everything, of living life and being your own boss. So yeah, these contracts really worked because now I know that I have this much amount in my bank account and I'm okay. It's okay for me to not get this 20K fixed income. I'm sure I'll do something better than that in that time. So yeah, it's really, it's icebreaker, I must say.
Yeah, I think that's so great that you kind of defined your why, and maybe you said the why when you were doing the first mindset module that, oh, I want to take my parents to the jewelry shop and like pamper them and shower them with gifts. And that's what it's all about. That's the freedom it's all about. It's not always just about traveling or buying expensive things for yourself or things like that. It's about the freedom of what you can do for others, for yourself, for the betterment of your family and for everyone around you. And you guys are giving credit to MA, but I will tell you, MA is amazing. Of course, I'm biased, but you guys went in and actually implemented, and that's what matters. You guys stuck it out and went through the full content, and you guys implemented, even though I'm sure like there would have been times when things were tough and you might just think, oh, it's just easy to give up, but you didn't. And look at how one client changes everything. And like with one client, people tell me always that finding the first client is so difficult, but when you find that first client, everything changes for you, because you get that unknown confidence. You know, you can close many more clients. And what you said specifically for all the listeners, I think this is important to note. These guys served the clients well, for free for the first month. They over delivered, they gained the client's trust. And so many people ask me, Ruta, is it okay for us to work for free at the start? It's quite okay if you know you have a strategy in mind. Like, you are starting with zero experience, zero clients, zero testimonials. How are people going to trust you? They will trust you when you over deliver and actually serve them. You come from a service mindset, and that will help you gain the client's trust. So kudos to that. And what do you think would be like, if you have to choose two pieces of content inside MA that have helped you the most in your journey, what would they be?
It's actually very difficult to pick up any two of them because all of them have been really, really exciting, and it's very fun because you actually pressurize the people to go ahead and do it at the moment right now.
Yeah.
So first of all, mindset one, because that's the one from where I got the power to actually just resign from my work and become an entrepreneur immediately. That's definitely one. And in fact, the second module that I love, and that's the first module that I've done from your course, to be honest with you. That's the high ticket client one, how to close the agreement and everything, because I wanted to be all professional. And I was like, okay, thank you for this and that, I'll send you the agreement and you can just sign off and all of that. I use the templates that you have shared. That is so helpful. And in Ma, the good part is that the community, I mean, they help like they are your siblings. It's so amazing. They are so helpful. If you have any problem, you just get there, you write a note that this is what I'm facing, please help. And they just come over and help to you without any kind of gain. I mean, that's so amazing. I got help from there as well. Whenever I was stuck and I wanted to know something, I didn't understand something, I used to ask them, see, I have this client, what do you think, what should I do? It's like a community of friends. I mean, it's not professional at all. You have this informal vibe that everything is fine. It's like just a friend who's helping you out. So yeah, that's pretty much about it.
Yeah, that's great. I think everyone I interview will always say mindset is the number one thing, and I'm so glad, because when I like recorded it, I didn't think it would make as much of a difference, but it has really changed lives, not just businesses, but lives, which is quite amazing to know. But So when you were like working with clients, you might have faced challenges. What were they? Because I don't want to come here and just say, "Oh, my students are doing amazing," and it was like a smooth ride. No, I'm sure you must have faced like challenges. So what were they, and how did you get over them?
Time crunch was one of the major challenge because at as it was a finance and accounting company that I was working in, I used to work sometimes when there was some billing deadlines and all of that. So I used to work maybe 10, 12 hours a day. And after that, I had already committed the clients that I would deliver this kind of work. So there have been days that I have not slept at all, so
Wow.
those times were a little bit difficult. But then I realized that I need to buy time to make sure that I don't overburden myself, because if the person needs it by Sunday, maybe they want to post it by Sunday, and if I say I'm sharing the post by Friday, it's all right. You don't have to overburden yourself and deliver it on Monday itself.
Yeah.
Just giving you an example. So then I started to pitch in that, see, I will do all the work and I'll share by Thursday, so that they are also happy. And that's how I overcame this particular time crunch issue, because it was a major issue. Because if not, I'm not getting proper rest, it was very difficult to work the next day.
Yeah.
It's a very tedious job. So yeah, this was one of the most important challenge. And then at and other than this, I don't think there's anything in the world, any challenge that you are being given that you can't face. So I won't say that we are made in such a way that we can overcome all the challenges. It's just that you have to change the approach, and there must be some loopholes that you need to look into. And I think we can overcome all the challenges. So yeah, it has been a good ride. I can't complain, because from just a year back, I was earning this 20K and I was happy, because on Sundays I used to go for movie and all of that. I was happy. But now just imagine I'm thinking of buying a Duster car for myself the next year. So I'm more happy, you can say. So I
Yeah.
can't complain. I'm very happy and very satisfied.
Yeah, and your goals have evolved. Like as you grow in life, you want more stuff and more freedom for your family, be it financial, location wise, time wise. And since you wanted the time based freedom, you also have decided to quit your job, and now you have more time and flexibility and energy to focus on your business. And I would definitely look forward to the day when you post pictures of your new Duster car in the group, because we would love to celebrate you. You guys know how we love to celebrate inside MA. Like everyone goes crazy for you, celebrating you guys. So I think that's an awesome goal to have, something to look forward to, something to push you when things get tough. Um, okay, so the last question I have for you is, if people are who are listening this are on the fence of joining Marketing Accelerator, what would you advise them? Like maybe you were also going through some of these thoughts, like maybe it won't be worth it, I won't be able to do it. Is it worth investing inside MA? And like, what would you advise them?
Well, to be honest, I have a strong problem with the courses that are being offered in India at the moment. Like you do BBA, you'll get a job, and you are going to get a job of 10, 15K, that which doesn't make sense.
Yeah.
These people are campusing and this and that. You just need the title that okay, this person is an MBA or a BBA. Doesn't work. When you know that you have that monetary freedom, that is when it works.
Yeah.
So Ma is something that gives you that particular freedom. So if you're thinking that this course, initially you might have this notion that it's very expensive. What is the need? Everything is available online. So yes, everything is available online, but a doctor cannot become a doctor just reading on the stuff online. He has to go through this thing, the entire course of MBBS. So that's how MAA is. It's like an MBBS course to become a doctor. And now I'm a specialist. I'm a content creator specialist, and I'm very proud of it. In fact, the day I got the T-shirt, the 50K and 1 lakh club T-shirt, I just slept in that T-shirt. I was so excited. I didn't change. I was wearing the same T-shirt. I was so happy. So
Wow.
yeah, if you want to achieve that kind of happiness in your life, because this kind of money is nothing. You are going to earn it anyways back within 6 months is a long time. Within 2 months, if you do this diligently, within 2 months, you are going to get the money back and maybe more. So why not try this out, which has given so many successful results, rather than looking into doing MBA and BBA and that and this and that. I am a simple BA graduate, but I am certified from MAA. So I'm very happy with the later one. And I would recommend that everyone, I mean, whoever wants to grow their career online, because, this lockdown and everything, digital world is booming right now. You can't be dependent on the office, like I'll go to the office, I'll work, I'll be promoted, this and that. Because if you can make it through in at this point of time, there is no looking back. So MAA gives you the best opportunities, the best trainings, the best modules, and there are so many. The community itself, it's so welcoming. In fact, on my birthday, I don't get so many messages of happy birthday. More than that, I get congratulations when I just post anything. It's like I get another client and they're so happy. So yeah, it's a positive vibes that I get from the entire course and entire community. So I think it's the best decision me and Ranjit have made together. So yeah, I would just recommend all of you, instead of thinking and wasting 6 months like us, go ahead, dive in. Next year will be very, very different for you all. I can assure you that. So yeah, that's my
Awesome.
parting words.
Yeah, absolutely. Thanks so much for sharing your story, Raj. All the best for the journey where you actually quit your job, find more time, work with more clients, finally get your dream car, and you keep pampering your parents like you do. And I can't wait for me to chat with you guys, both of you together, when the time comes and when you guys hit more milestones. And I'm sure this inspires so many more people who maybe were in your shoes or are in your shoes right now to inspire to enroll into MA. So you guys, if you're interested in enrolling to MA, click the description, there is a link, and we would love to see you guys in. And again, thanks so much, Raj, for coming on and sharing your story.
Thank you so much, Ruta. The pleasure has been entirely mine. Thank you so much.
Yeah, bye, have a great day and stay safe.
You too. Thank you. Take care. Bye.